There, welcome back. What I have today is a challenge lock by Ah97, Yale bereyt. It is a very difficult challenge lock in the vise. It does work very smooth. Little hang up there. I have tried picking it in the vise and I get nowhere with it. I get a full set and I just can't seem to get it open. So we're going to attempt it in the hand and we'll see if we can get it open and take a look to see what evilness is inside it. There's the button on the key. We'll be using bottom of the keyway, top of the keyway, depending on which way you look at it. I will be picking it this way up. I'll try and keep it in focus as much as I can. Nothing on 1, nothing on 2. 3 seems like binding. Little click out of 3. Another click out of 3. Click out of 1. That was a click out of 5. We do have a full set, and that's about as far as I get. Because I slipped it around there. That is about as far as I get in the vise. So we'll see where we can go from here. Fell into a deeper false set there, touched on pin 2, I think that was. All the way at the back, pin 5. Still binding. So 5 feels set, 4 feels set, 3. We've got to click out of 2 there on the way back through. We do have an open, thank God. So let's take a look inside. I will shim it, as there was quite a few deep false sets there. Every chamber is undercut, that looks like. No, it doesn't seem. I don't think it is. I think that's just factory. Or if it is, it's very slight because it's not catching. We'll dump them out and take a look. Standard in 1, standard in 2. Spool keeping in 3. Again, spool keeping in 4. And the same again as spool keeping in 5. So this is where the weirdness must lie. Barely breaking. I would have thought that would have been that way around, but I suppose if I got a false set and then went back to 1 to pick that, then the others may fall. Very sneaky. Steel spring. That looks like a very nice pin. So that's the one what we picked it on, I think. So as you can see, I would have had a really deep false set on that bottom bit there. That looks like a GG pin. A very long spool. That looks like a steel spool as well. And a very nice weird shaped spool with a reduced diameter at this end. And it was in that way, so again, because it was that way, when I was picking it, I think it was meant to, as I picked it, it made the thinner pins drop. Again, very sneaky. No modifications to the car. There we have it. Very nice little lock to pick. Thank you very much, Andy, for sending it to me, and all the other locks you sent me. And I hope everyone enjoyed watching it. Bye for now. Thank you.